Okay, बच्चों, we are doing question number 7. Right rule for drawing magnetic field lines around a current carrying solenoid. We use right hand grip rule. We use right hand grip rule, and the statement of right hand grip rule is statement of right hand grip rule. Statement of right hand grip rule is that if the culls of fingers of right hand, if the culls of fingers of right hand are kept in the direction of the current in the turns. Basically, a coil of wire has turns of copper wire. So if the culls of fingers of right hand are kept in the direction of current in the turns, then the thumb will point, then the thumb will point towards the north pole, towards the north pole of electromagnet. Now, draw magnetic field lines for the followings. Here we have a solenoid and we have to draw the magnetic field. But before drawing that, we have to mark north and south. Now, if we keep our fingers in the direction of current, then our thumb is pointing towards right. As a result, this is north pole and this is south pole. Because if you keep your fingers, culls of fingers in the direction of the current, your thumb is pointing towards right. You should use your right hand. Now, this is the positive terminal of the cell. This is the negative terminal of the cell, and current will be from positive to negative. Yet the current is already given. Now, the magnetic field lines will be the rule for a coil of wire is that if you have a coil of wire or a solenoid, the magnetic field will be strongest at the center and weaker at the edges. So it should be like this. So stronger magnetic field at the center and weaker magnetic field at the edges. This is what you have to draw. So this line, then you have to show the field is getting stronger at the center. And inside the magnet or coil of wire, the field lines will be from south to north because they are inside the body of the coil. So they will be from south to north. And the purpose of using iron core is that all the magnetic field should be within the coil. If you are using a coil without iron core, then the magnetic field will go outside the coil. However, when you are using iron core, it will bring the magnetism within the coil. So most part of the magnetism will be within the coil. So this is the magnetic field inside the coil of wire. Now for this one, since the current is upwards, if you keep culls of your fingers in the direction of the current, then north is on the left hand side and south will be on the right hand side. And field will be strongest at the center. So it should be something like this. So at the center, we have strong field. This is for coil. For permanent magnet, it's different. For permanent magnet, it's a uniform field inside, but for the coil, its strength is variable and it is the strongest at the center. And this field will be from south to north. So this is magnetic field of this coil of wire.